How to quickly unfollow everyone in Instagram. So if you want to quickly unfollow everyone in Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, now you need to simply go for the bottom right, which has your profile option. Tap on the profile and then you need to go for following. So tap on following and here you will have all of your following list, right? So if you want to quickly unfollow everyone in Instagram, then we don't have that option on Instagram. But instead of that, you can simply install any third-party applications to unfollow everyone in Instagram. So you may have a multiple or a bunch of apps that you can install in order to get that service. Or without that, you don't have any option to quickly unfollow everyone at once, but you can remove your friends one by one. So for example, I'll be simply choosing a person and then tap on the following and then tap on unfollow, which is on the bottom. That's it. That's how you can unfollow that person, or you can do that with each and every other. So that's how you can quickly unfollow everyone in Instagram with this process. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.